Hello student, today I am going to teach you the topic is protection and deprotection of amine. Protection and deprotection of amine. There are three methods for protection of amine. First method is by forming N-benzyl amine. Second is by forming amide. Third is carbamates. Now we can see the first method for protection of amine is N-benzyl amine. The substrate is amine. To protect, condition for protection, product form after protection. To deprotect, reagent to deprotect, then product. The product is same like a substrate, sometimes it is different. Here amine react with 2 moles of pH CH2Br, that is a benzyl bromide. The condition for protection is a basic condition. The reagents are NAD3, NaH or diisopropyl ethyl amine. The product form after protection is dibenzyl alkyl amine. The condition for deprotection is H2PDC. Hydrogen is attached on the surface of palladium. It gives RnH2 plus twice PHCH3. Next example is the condition for protection is basic condition. Reagents are NAD3, NaH, diisopropyl ethyl amine. Here both side protection take place, from OH side and from NH2 side. The product form after protection is if we use H2PDC, then both side deprotection take place, from nitrogen side and from oxygen side. We get product same like substrate. If we use Pullman catalyst, the Pullman catalyst is H2 PDOH twice C. Solvent is ETOH. The Pullman catalyst selectively deprotect from N side. For selective deprotection of amine, we use the Pullman catalyst. We get this product. Second method for protection is amide formation. And amine react with acyl chloride or acetic anhydride. Here substrate is amine. To protect, the condition for protection, product form after protection, reagent to deprotect. The product form is after deprotection. The condition for protection is acidic condition. Here for protection and deprotection condition is acidic condition or basic condition. The product from after protection is amide. After acid hydrolysis, we get amine and acid. The third method for protection of amine is by forming carbamates. First, substrate to protect, condition for protection, product form after protection, condition to deprotect, then product form after deprotection. Here amine is react with methyl chloroformate. The condition for protection is basic condition. Basic reagent are NAD3, NaH, diisopropyl, ethylamine. The product form after protection is this. The reagent used for protection is trimethyl iodide. It is formed when trimethyl chloride react with sodium iodide. It gives trimethyl iodide and NaCl. Here oxygen attacked on this silicon iodide is Lu. It gives this product. Here iodide attacked on methyl, form methyl iodide, CO2, NH2, RNH2, methyl iodide, and water attacked on this silicon. It form CO2, SiOH, trimethyl silyl hydroxide. The condition for protection of amine all having basic condition except amide. Next, by forming CBZ. CBZ means benzoyloxy carbonyl group. Benzoyloxy carbonyl group. Second method by forming CBZ. Here amine react with benzyloxy chloroformate, benzyloxy chloroformate. CBZ means benzoyloxy carbonyl, benzoyloxy carbonyl group. The condition for protection is basic condition, NAD3, NaH, diisopropyl, ethylamine. condition is basic condition. Only in case of amide there is a acid condition. In other method, basic condition used for the protection. This is the trick to remember. Sorry, RCO. RNHCO OBN, byproduct is HCl. The condition used for the protection is, here are three conditions. Neutral condition H2PDC, basic condition Li NH3, that is Birch reduction. Third condition is acid condition, strong hydrolysis of HBr. By three methods we deprotect the CBZ group. First is neutral condition, second is basic, third is acidic condition. It gives RNH2. Hydrogen on palladium surface, hydrogen on palladium surface. RNH2, CO2, benzyl group, PSCH2, H, that is toluene. The third method for protection of amine is by forming TBOC. Third, TBOC. TBOC means tertiary butoxy carbonyl group. Substrate is amine. Amine react with tertiary butoxy anhydride in basic condition diisopropyl ethylamine. Basic condition, it gives TBOC. This is a TBOC. It is deprotected in acidic condition. It is deprotected in acidic condition. Or trifluoro acetic acid. Solvent used is dichloromethane. It gives RNH2 plus CO2 plus tertiary butane. For selective deprotection, we use for selective deprotection we use AlCl3 dichloromethane. Here selective deprotection from N side in presence of AlCl3 CH2Cl2. It gives OTBS NH OAC.